got a new backup light off Amazon, and it looks like the biggest deal is where to put it. Apparently the XP models don't have this, which you can see goes down there somewhere in the mounting bolt. So that leaves us with the dilemma of where we can put it. Let's take a look. It's fairly large, and I think there's two things you got to worry about. Three things maybe. The length of the wire, which this looks like the connector they talk about right here for plugging it in. And then I would imagine you have to worry about the bed tilting. So there's not a whole lot of places that look to me that you can actually mount it. So if it was right there, or maybe right in here somewhere, will it hit the bed? Is the question. So I think I'm just gonna kind of sit it there for now. Know if I'm gonna be able to show how this looks with the camera. There it is. Guess you can see it in there. It looks like maybe that's the place to go. I do see a hole right in here for where those wires attach to. Is that possibly someplace that I could put the bracket? Maybe. I'll have to take a more closer look at it and see what that hole looks like. And if I want to use that hole, I'll have to get the bracket out and see if it fits up in there and how it looks. Here's the wiring for the tail lights. So since I used the hole that plastic zip tie mount was used for with the tail lights, I decided to use this little cable clamp tie. It's about the right size and it locks down pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with that. You know, the wires are not all dangling around. So I'll show you the back. The stud mount worked pretty good. It's a little hard to get in, but it's way easier than trying to fish a bolt up through there and then putting the light bracket on and all that stuff. So if you only got one person, that's probably a good way to do it. And I didn't drill any holes or enlarge any holes. I did reuse the little rubber pusher thing to wire up the plug, and then I tied those wires together. And all in all, I think it's a pretty clean design, or pretty clean installation at least. So when it gets dark, we'll do a demo. Out here in the dark, finally. Gonna test the backup light. Got a camera set up behind it. Coming in here, I got the key turned on, and you can see about how light it is back there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in reverse, and wow, really does a nice job. Really lights up really well. But what I'm seeing, I am seeing what they talked about on YouTube. The LED does stay lit, so that could be an issue. Not really. I'm not dissatisfied with it. Just that it is the way they said it was. So all in all, pretty much of a success, and I'm really happy with it. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it, and come back for more videos on the Polaris and other outdoor things like that. Thank you.